ka moku puni o maui loa. O maui nui a ka malala walu. No ka moku kulua ihi ka palau maewa mai no. No maui o nā honu a api ilani mai. A me nā kai e ha o alenui ha o alala keiki o au a o pailolo no hoi. No ka moku o kula mai. O po haku pālaha ka piko luna o ke kula o ka mao a me ke kai o a nehe nā kapa o lalo. He aina I milia e nā mākani he kiu, he hau, he ke hau, he nā he moa e a he kona. He aina I mau I nā ua he nā ulu, he kiu kiu, he koko, he lilinoe, a me nā wai ope o nā lani. No ke ahupua a mai I kapa ia no ka wahine viho o le ʻAʻapueo kaia no o ʻAʻapueo hoi. He aina I kaulana I nā puʻe o ka lani, o ki hāpi I lani, o ka luapu lani a me kali a ni nui nā pe aloha o ka aina, I ke alo no puʻu weli, I ka malu o puʻu pane, a I ta poli hoi o a hele a ka lā.
I uka hoi au o hale a ka lā. Pa. I uka hoi au o hale a ka lā ku kila kila. Kila kila ka hala o ke aliʻi kalani e. O pai e a kalani. O ka iwa kila o moku. O ka naʻi au puni. O kalani nui meha e. Meha hoi au I wahine e ka hea mai e komo. I loko au I loko hoi au
Ai hika naka I komo malo e hana ia he wai te wai. E ia no e kaukula o kale o a he leo wale no. Ai komo mai o kou. Aloha no, ʻaʻaliʻi, aloha no. Ke koa, sapra. Maali, boy.
Sap kumu.
Aloha, sap. O leila, e nā haumana, ua hoʻopau anei o kou I ta haʻawina. Ka helu ana I ta moʻolelo, me ka hoʻomaʻa ana I ta mele hua kākou I aʻu ai.
Ai.
Ai?
Nope.
Yeah.
Ai.
Ai, o ina pēlā,
Yeah.
e kuʻiluna a e hoʻiki mai.
Get stand up. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kula.
Au. O hoʻomaʻamaʻa maoli nei o kou I ta mele.
Ai.
E hana hou mai.
1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kula malue, kuai.
Ua I ke a. A ole I paʻa te mele a o kou. E nā haumana. He moʻolelo ko nā mele a pau. I te paha o kou I ta waiwai, o I o moʻolelo no ke mele.
Ai kumu. We talked about this already. It's about the mo'olelo of the Kanaks fighting with the Manus.
Yeah, but there's more to the story than just owls and humans fighting. The only reason why they got into a fight is because the human took the owl's eggs, right? And they aren't just manus, okay? They're pueo. They're like the ali'i of the birds.
Yeah, exactly.
Kumu?
Yo,
We had a mo'olelo.
raha. O ia ka haʻawina topo nei. Right? You guys are supposed to have read them. You know what? E kiʻi mai tanu pepa. Yeah? E helu I kākou moʻolelo. O ia hoʻi, ka moʻolelo no ka hoʻoku kāua o nā pueo, a me nā kanaka, a me nā aliʻi o maui. I mali, nau e hoʻomaka.
Mana wā ka māhele ana, ai hule a e kā koa nana aku I ka hana a nā pueo. A me kā lākou mau hana vivo ole, oi ai ko lākou la I hume ai I nā malo Keaka o Ikaika lua ole. Penny.
Mahalo. See? You guys, not that hard, huh? Okay. Ke koa. E unuhi mai I ka mali I helu I honi.
Ah, for real, Kumu. Aole mapopo.
E ho a'o, yeah? A'aita olelo. Just give them. Come on.
Okay. So the time when there was mahele, ʻAʻapueos, there was vivo ole. You know, no scared them, go get them.
Okay, bro. We go try this again. Okay, try stick to the mo'olelo when you translate. All right, I go help you out.
Okay, okay.
Oiai, ko lako la I hume ai nā malokea o ka Ikaika lo ole.
So this is about the day that they put on their white malo. Wait, you're telling me that I was going to put on one malo?
Yes, bro. Just keep going, okay? Nā malokea o ka Ikaika lo ole.
Okay, okay. So this is about the day that I was put on their white malos of Ikaika Lua Ole, of great strength.
Ai, me kai. So this story is about the day the pueo, the owls, girded themselves, put on this white malo of strength. Okay? A'ali'i, e ho'omau oe.
Okay. I ka wā e noha li'i ana o ka nene nui a ka wai kalu.
Kai.
Oh, Maui, dang. Cool, that's a long name. So during the time that Kanene Nui a ka wai kalu was the chief of Maui, ma Wailuku kona wahina homau, so Wailuku is where he lived. E noho ana ke kahi kanaka kaulana o ia wahi. Kaulana, so there's a famous man living there too. O ka poe me kana wahine, so ka poe and his wife. Ma kaimuhe'e, so in kaimuhe'e, ma yuka e ona vai e lua o kanaha me mau oni. So mauka e lua, so mauka of the two waters, kanaha and mau oni.
Olole, me kai.
Kanaha. Kanaha. Eh, wait, is that the same pond by the airport? Kanaha. You know Kanaha, the one that smells, you know, a'ala.
Brother, a'ala. What you mean, pilo?
Okay. Aye, yes. But it's kanaha, not kanaha. Okay? So you guys know what a pond stay now, right? It used to be way bigger before. Used to stretch down by Maui Mall, all that side over there. Okay? So kanaha was full of all kind mea ai, all kind food, all these resources in mea kanu Hawaii. Mauoni was attached to kanaha, but no stay anymore. All right? Okay? And na homana e ho'omau kākou, yeah? I ka mo'olelo.
Ai.
Hey, but you guys, for real, pay attention, because there's a lot to this mo'olelo, yeah? So, there was a pueo wahine, a female owl, who lived in the uplands of Kula, in a district that was later named after her own ʻAʻapueo, meaning the brave, daring owl. Now, her lover, the sleepy owl, Pueokaya, lived on a hill in East Wailuku, near the Hamakuopoko border, just mauka of Wawa'u, in a place that people call today Spreckelsville. Okay? Now, the two were deeply in love, and from this relationship came 7 little eggs, their legacy, their future. But meanwhile, there were 2 Kanaka, 2 humans, living in Wailuku, in a place called Kaimuhe'e. Anybody remember their names? Oi ko lawa inoa.
Kapoi.
Ai,
O
o ka
kapoi
poi
kona
no,
inoa.
me kai. Me kana wahine, aloha no, a ohe o nei inoa I ho'i ke ia ma ka
Wait,
mo'olelo.
she doesn't have a name? No keaha.
He nino me ke ike na, no kia hala ho'i. Why doesn't she have a name?
Probably because she's a female, not integral to the story.
Okay. So, every character has koleana in a mo'olelo like this one. Okay? So we go keep reading. Nauno e boy. Oi.
Hey, get off your phone. Put it down.
Come on.
Brother. Oh my goodness.
Ike kahi la.
I ke kahila, make I hola ka wahine a ua ka poe nei, e hele I ke kula I ke po'i uhini. So, one day, ka wahine a ka poe's wife wanted to go and catch uhini, grasshoppers.
Ai, mai kai. So, from where they lived in Kaimuhe'e, she traveled to the plains of Papale Kaili'u, and she continued on until she reached Pohaku Makaku. And from there, she went straight east until she reached this large rock called Alaha.
Okay, I have a few questions. So, 1, why is she going so far? 2, grasshoppers? And 3, where the husband at? And 4,
Okay. Mekai loa. And you know what, you guys, these are the kinds of questions that we gotta ask when we look at any mo'olelo like this.
Okay, but so why is she going so far? And like, is she planning on eating the grasshoppers? And where is Kapoi? Like, he has a name in the mo'olelo, but what about the wahine? Like,
You know what?
she doesn't have a name.
These are great observations, okay? And you guys just picking out stuff from the mo'olelo that sparks your interest. And you know what? Maybe we do need more context, okay? So we go start with this. Let's start with the distance that she traveled.
Maybe she just wanted to get away.
Or maybe Kapoi, maybe he was hungry and she never cooked.
Oh, okay.
Okay, perhaps, maybe. And boy, I'm happy to see that you're relating to this mo'olelo, okay?
Okay, yeah, but what about the grasshoppers?
Enough about the grasshopper.
So
What about the grasshoppers?
we know that kanaka Hawaii sought out grasshoppers when in times of famine, okay? But remember now, Kanaha was full of all kind food and resources. So could there have been a famine? And yes, where is Kapoi? Mali, if you were to put yourself in this wahine's position, what would you say?
Well, if there was a famine, I understand the grasshoppers. But I'd question why Kapoi isn't helping me gather food. I mean, the fact that he isn't even there kind of says something about him.
What if he just had a long day and he was just
Oi,
tired?
oi. Mekai kena, yeah? When the mo'olelo doesn't provide enough information in the text, we have to look at the context and discuss these assumptions. Okay? So we cannot change the actual mo'olelo, but we can think about it. Mali, again, if you were to ask those questions, like where is Kapoi and how come he's not helping his wahine, what would that look like for her?
He Kapoi e, kua e ko ono nei ʻaʻapueo. Ka imu ka ele o kaimu heʻe. Heʻe mai ana ke aloha a kaua. O wauwale no kai poʻi. A hiki I pōhaku o makaku. Neʻe aku I pāpale kai liʻu. Manaʻe aku o wailuku. A pili aku no ia ālaha. He Kapoi e, kua I ka ono nei ʻaʻapueo. Ka imu ka ele o ke aloha. O ke aloha a kaua. He aloha a wahia. He aloha olohia. He aloha walania. He aloha hulihia. All alone, once again, just me, myself, and I. Should I stay or should I go? Can no longer hold this inside. Oh, I am doing this for him, giving my all, not just a part. There's a famine in the land and one in his heart. Aloha of a hia, a love that shines in the morning, turns into a hurricane. One day it's love, then it's anger, it drives me insane. Aloha valania, e Kapoi e aloha, vehoine close my heart in anguish, causing all this mental pain, messing with my brain. Just hold it in a little longer, this won't be in vain. Aloha olohia. something different, something more, something new. That's why I'm here searching like I always do. Hello,
So when the woman arrived at the large rock called Allah, she discovered a nest of 7 eggs. She took all 7 eggs and returned home in Wailuku. When she arrived back to Kaimuhe'e, she revealed the eggs to her husband, Kapoi. She had no clue she had taken owl eggs, for she thought they were duck eggs.
Ke ia mauhua I loa amai nei ia oe. He mauhua pueo.
O mana o au he hua na ke kolo lele. No laila lave mai neo.
While the two were conversing about the eggs, the owl, to whom the eggs belonged, arrived at their house in Kaimuhe'e and saw the eggs in Kapoi's hands.
O ka pueo paha ke ia nanana hua.
Ai paha? Nāna paha? Nā ka pueo e aku paha.
E ka poi! O a uhua! E hoa I poi mai!
E hia konui o ka mau.
E hua hiku! Ke I maila ka pueo e hiku. Ua pono ka pueo e hiku pa. E hoi aku ana ka hua ka pueo.
He a ka mea e hoi aku ai ka hua ai a pueo. He make no ka aua? Ia ka. Ia, ia.
Seven hearts tied to my own. I cannot comprehend. Here one day, and they're gone the next. But this broken heart life that you could have lived. It will thrive and live in me. So now you soar with wings, but I cannot see at all, but I can feel. Oh, I feel you, and I can hear it in your call. Moku a hua o loko nei.
While crying, she gathered all the shells, the yolks that were splattered along the stone wall. She took all of these things to her husband, Keaka, to his home on the eastern border of Wailuku.
Ia hoʻi nei wai maka e we mai nei.
O nā hua kaua, he ila. Wa wahawahi ia he ke kanaka. O ka iwi ke ia ui lawe mai nei e ike oe. E ku kāpu kaua no ke ano o mahino ino.
The two continued to discuss this merciless act of kapoi toward their precious little eggs. Keaka spoke very little words, for he could not believe what had just been revealed to him.
Mai nei o loko I ke aloha. Mai nei ka leo moku moku ahua. Ahua mai nei wai maka. Ko ai kahe o ka mina mina. I am so sorry that I wasn't there for you. Can't even imagine what you might must be going through. Our little children. Okay, aloha makamai. Na hua nani. Hualele uapai. How did this happen? And how did I not know? Now I'm awakened. I'll never let this go. Amaine logo ike aloha. Amaine kaleo moku moku ahua. Ahua maine uai maka uai kahe o kamina mina. Amaine logo ike aloha. This won't go unseen.
This won't go unseen.
This won't go unheard.
This won't go unheard.
We'll gather everyone so our voices will be heard. This won't go unseen.
This won't go unseen.
This won't go unheard.
This won't go unheard.
We'll gather everyone so our voices will be heard. Amaine logo ike aloha. Amaine kaleo moku moku ahua. Ahua mai wai maka. Amaine logo ike aloha. Ahua mai nei wai maka kawaii kahe o kamina mina. Amaine logo ike aloha. Ike aloha. Ike aloha.
At that moment, Pueo Kaya and ʻAʻapueo made a plan to gather all the pueo from the different islands and avenge the death of their children. Pueo Kaya gathered all of the owls of Hilo, Puna, and Ka'u at Kapueo Kahi in Hana. He then summoned the owls of Kona, Kohala, and Hamakua. They were to meet at Pu'upueo at Kipahulu.
Hilo puna me kau ko papa ma pueo kahi ko na ko hala me ma pueo ko papa ma pueo.
All of the owls of Oahu, they gathered together at Kaulana Kapueo at Makapu'u. She then went on to Kauai, where the owls marched to a place known as Pueo, at the border of Puna and Ko'olau. From there, she rallied all of Ni'ihau. The army of Pueo from Kauai and Ni'ihau returned with ʻAʻapueo to Oahu to meet those of Molokai, Lanai, and Kaho'olawe.
Ki mai lai ko kwa papa ʻAʻapueo. Le like ko mola ka ilana ia me ta holave. Kwa papa maui nui.
All of the aos at Pueo Kaya and ʻAʻapueo had gathered in a single day, convened in a valley known as Manawai Pueo in West Maui.
Ko Hawaii pai aina. Kwa papa Manawai Pueo.
It was said that the army arrived on a Kane night filled Manawai Pueo Valley. They camped there overnight, resting everywhere within the valley, waiting for the dawn of the new moon. The next morning, as the Lono moon dawned, the battle was launched between the humans of Wailuku and the Pueo from all the islands. Nothing can compare to the tremendous nature of this war in Nawaiʻeha. The sun was darkened by the amount of feathers covering the sky. Winds were hurling from every direction, and indeed, death followed.
Ua kau kaweli kukaweli veli tua e nā pue ua kalangi. Ua luku ua walu walu o ili maila no tamalu. Kukai kamalu kamalu hiolo kamalu poi kamalu make. Ua kau kaweli kukaweli veli tua e nā pue. Walu 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 o ili maila no tamalu. Kukai kamalu kamalu hiolo kamalu poi kamalu make.
Kapoi, his wahine, and many others were killed in battle. Because of the destruction caused by the owls, the area was then referred to as Wailuku, the waters of destruction. And still to this day, another name was coined from this battle, Maluwaka he Kuawa, the shading of the valley, due to the great number of owls that filled the sky. Very few survived. One being the wife of Chief Kanene Nui Akawaikalu, who later birthed a son, and his name came to be Kamaluwaka he Kuawa. He reigned as chief following his father's passing. No leila, apela I pauai ke kumukaya o ʻAʻapueo, no kana mauhua I wāwahi hoʻomainu ino ia e ka poi mā. O ke ia I hola ka hopena o ke ia wahi mo olelo. Me kai e naho mana. This ended the cruel treatment of ʻAʻapueo, whose eggs were horribly destroyed by Kapoi. This is the end of this short tale.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, e naho mana, what can we learn from this mo'olelo?
So much. To be fearless, to be strong, and to care for each other, and to care for our pueo.
Meikai, just like ʻAʻapueo did.
Aye.
Anyone else?
Ai ka ko'o a'ali'i. We gotta learn how to be brave and just stand up for what's right. But just like Pu'o Kaya, we need to be there when others need you, you know what I mean?
Mana o ko'u.
Yo.
Kalamai ke koa.
Don't worry.
The moment this mo'olelo started, I couldn't help but think of myself as that wahine. For me, I learned to speak up for myself and not let anything take advantage of you or silence you or control you. I mean, look what happened in the mo'olelo. Kapoi didn't take the advice of his wahine when she wanted to return the eggs, and look where they ended up. Well, Kaya listened to ʻAʻapueo and her grieving voice, and they won the battle.
Okay.
Too many times I've been quiet, but not anymore.
Meikai, mahalo e mali, he nani no ke na manao, eh? Oi, e manao kou.
I don't know. They pretty much said everything already. But why you guys make like Kapoi? Why you make like he's the villain?
Huh?
So we need to run it back. We need to go back.
Like we don't know his. We didn't talk about his side of the story though.
You know what? Pololei, we don't know his side of the story. Pololei kela, eh? So, boy, what could his story be then?
He mau mana'o ko'u. I ka he'ehe'e o ka imu, the pressures of the world. I ka ua halahala o kanaha, the judgment from others. I ka po'ele'ele o mau'oni, the trials and hardships of life. I ka maluaka he kuava, living in the life shadows, living in the shadows of those before you. You know, I kind of see myself in Kapoi's character, because today, there's just a lot of pressure on me And I know how a lot of things can, when there's so much pressure, a lot of things can just build up until one day you make a decision that you're gonna regret. Just like Kapoi. That's what I see. And it's a human trait. We're Kanaka, we're human. The pressure, the judgment, the hardships, hard times, living in the shadow of others, that's what makes us Kanaka. If I had my way, life would be just fine. But the pressures of the world make me wanna cry. That's why I am the way I am. I'm human. Before you start to judge, talk to me, get to know me. I'm just misunderstood, unvalued and unseen. That's why I am the way I am. I'm human. Ika he o ka imu ika ua hala hala o ka naha ika o ele ele o maoni ika malua ka he kuava. Don't cry, be strong, that's what they say. They made me this way. He kanaka, kanaka, human. We're all human, right? We make mistakes. Here, sing this with me, sing this with me. Here we go. He kanaka. He kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, That's my If I learned one thing, it's that I'm a slave to my own mind, carrying all my burdens and always left behind. That's why I am the way I am. I'm human. Sorry, I'm not you or you want me to be. I'm trying but pretending to be someone that isn't me. That's why I am the way I am. I'm human. Ika he he o ka imu ika ua hala hala o ka naha o ele ele o maoni ka malua ka he kuava. Don't cry, be strong, that's what they say. They made me this way. Hey, kanaka, I'm human. Whoa. Kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, We're all kanaka, right? We're all human. He kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, he kanaka, We're all Kanaka, human, he kanaka.
E kala mai boy, a ole vau I mana o pela.
Yeah, sorry, bro. I never knew it was that serious.
Boy, ua he ia kāua o ka malua ka he kuawa e tutu lere. Now, you know why she named it that?
This armo olelo, to hold, to tell. O ko kaua ku au hau ke ia?
Ololei o ko kāua ku au hau no, yeah? We're both named after this mo olelo.
Oh, that's right, huh? Kuma's your uncle.
Wait, so you name that boy, you name Kamalu.
Wait, okay. You know what? Class almost pau. Okay, so before class is pau, I get one more mamana'o that comes from our tutulere, yeah? Diane, Napua, Amadeo. And she used to say that if it has a Hawaiian name, it has a Hawaiian story, okay? So think about it. Wailuku, waters of destruction. Maluaka he kuava, shading of the valley. ʻAʻapueo, this brave owl. And all the other names that we just been read about, they all tell a story. Okay? So, okay, one last thing. This old newspaper, this Pacific Commercial Advertiser, and it says, in 1858, there was a Kona storm that hit regions of Ukumehame and Waikapu. And in this storm, the remains of the flooded rivers washed into Kanaha and Mauoni. Now imagine, such a storm, so powerful, so thick, the clouds covering the sky. It's like a big shadow covering the light of day. Yeah, and the waters, so destructive. It's like a battle happening on the valley floor. And the winds, so rough, it's like birds circling the sky. Yeah, sound familiar?
Wait. So the battle is a storm.
Ooh. Last week, bruh, just when happened. Okay, so these mo'olelo tell us more than what we see on just pepa. And it's up to us, it's our kuleana to recognize it. No leila, e na haumana. Mao ka mo'olelo e loa I ka ike o ke au ia tākou. Na nā kupuna I kilo ako waiho mai I ke la manao, ke la ike no kākou. He mea nui, ke kilo lani, ke kilo honua, a me ke kilo kanaka.
Kilolani. Observing the weather, the skies, and the heavens.
Pololei.
And kilohonua, observing the land, the water, the environment and resources.
Mikai.
Oh, kilo kanaka, observing relationships, kuleana.
And roles and responsibilities.
Ai, mai kai loa. E mālama I ke a oia e kana o au. The learning doesn't stop. We've just begun to learn about this place, ʻAʻapueo, the name of our school. And how privileged are we to be named after such a powerful role model, ʻAʻapueo. Not just the pueo, but all of the inoa that comes, all of the mo'olelo, the stories, everything that comes with that inoa. Every day, we have the opportunity to see this mo'olelo living through us. But it's our kuleana to recognize it and kilo this so we can create our own mo'olelo. Eo, e nā koa vivo ole, ka aina kaulana a o ʻAʻapueo. Oh, kanika hola, no lila. E nā homana, I ke ana wau ia o kou, ala apopo, ui hono, ui hono.
Come on, can we
Apopo.
hanaho the mele one more time? Like redemption.
Ana hou,
Yeah.
redemption song.
All right.
Let go.
Ai, hana hou mai.
Okay.
Kukula malue.
Uaina pilie.
Kuome ho'ona awa.
Aloha. ʻAʻapueo. Aloha ʻAʻapueo. Aina kaulana. E aina pula manu. Oivie. Kilohi kanani. O hale aka. La ka kawale oi ka hano hano. Kukula marue. Kuaina pilie. Kuhome ho'ona awa. Aloha ʻAʻapueo e. Kukula marue. Kuaina pilie. Kuhome ho'ona awa. Aloha ʻAʻapueo e. Kuhano hano pu'oveli mehe kia velina pakanaka. Ai ala iuka o ku'upane he pane kukehane. Kuhano hano pu'oveli mehe kia velina pakanaka. Ai ala iuka o ku'upane he pane kukehane. Kukehane.